How to allow access to storage on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings, and once you do that, scroll down to apps, then navigate to Instagram, and here you want to go to permissions. Now, as you can see, the storage feature or option is seated on the not allowed permissions section. Click on it, and here you will be able to allow the storage access for Instagram by selecting the first option. Now if you go back, you will see that the storage feature has been moved to the allowed permissions section, which is what you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can grant access to the storage for the Instagram app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.